All right, what is up, guys? It is November 27th, currently 2:38 p.m. The markets are still live. Um, I did pretty decent today, and I I live streamed my trading on Facebook Live today. So, like, three people got to watch me trade and make money. That was awesome. Nerve wracking as well. And my first trade was a loser, so that kind of sucked. And it really got me in a fearful state because I'm on like an 11 or 12 day win streak, and I've been talking about it every single day because this is my best green streak ever. And I was like, oh shit, my first red day is going to be live streamed on Facebook Live. But I was given an opportunity. I took it. I went in big. Well, not real big. Actually, I went in with like $7,000. But I went in pretty heavy, decent, and made quite a bit of money back. So I made all my money back, and then I made like $1,290 extra. So I finished the day up $1,290. We'll go look at that. See, boom. So I took two trades. This is just two different entries, same price. I was just like, bam. I'm gonna, you know what? I want more. Bam. Okay. And here you see finishing up 1290. Let me zoom in. I know if you're looking at this on a cell phone, which 99% of people are, you can't really see it, but $1,290, and you can see what stocks I traded here, what time, all that good jazz. So, oh shit, I'm going the wrong way, like usual. I shrink it down. Ugh, one of these days I'm gonna be a pro of this. Probably not. Anyways, so we'll go over the trades today. The first one is HEPA. Yesterday it had a pretty nice little gap up and held its gains, and then in the afternoon, not gap up, but it had a nice run yesterday. And I didn't trade it yesterday. I should have, but it held its gains, and then had a little nice run up in the afternoon. Let's see. Yeah, I was still trading during this here. So then yesterday after hours, it had a nice little run up, and went sideways. And then this morning it kind of sold off a little bit. And we're still watching it in the open, and I decided to take a trade on it in this. Let me change this back to a 1 minute candle so we can see. Boom, this candle right here. I was thinking, man, this looks good, so I get in this candle here, 1,000 shares at 503, so basically a $5,000 position, and it's bouncing up. It comes all the way up here. As it's coming down, I throw an order up to sell 250 shares, like right here, like 513, 514. Does not get filled. This candle pops up lower. I'm like, oh snap. It surges down to about 490, maybe 484. And I had I took my hand off the mouse for a second to like pop my knuckles or something. It surged down. I went to grab my mouse and click sell market, and the mouse moved off the button. I missed the button. So I'm like, oh snap. So I waited for a split second to see if it was going to come back up. It didn't. It surged further down. I hit the button. I get filled let's see, where did I get filled? 478. Let's see. Right here. So I get filled at 478. It pops right back up. Does this, comes, just has a nice run up all the way up to 540, goes sideways, and now look at it. So I sold here, 478, and it is peaked out at 823, now up 67% on the day. And, as y'all know, I'm done trading it by 530, so 540 would have been my exit here, 1030. I'm done trading at 1030, I think it's about there. Anyways, so that was it was just a bad trade for me. I got flushed out, stopped out, I guess you could say. Could have got back in up here, but by that time I was just so aggravated. And let's see, I sold at 934. So I was still watching it. I was afraid to get back in it. But anyways, PNRL hits the scanners. Somebody calls it out in chat, and I run over to it and immediately hit the market order button. 2,000 shares, gets filled at the very top, pops down. The ask is still at the top, so I hit another by market. It gets filled at the top too, then goes, gets halted. So I'm in it, 2,000 shares at the very top, halted, and I'm kind of nervous because, I'm not up any money. I'm literally at the top, 2,000 shares at 560 or 365. Let me do just a tad bit of math. 365 times 2,000 shares, that's $7,300. And the thing is, when I got in here, I got filled at the top twice, and it come all the way down and popped back up. I was down like $800 for a split second, and then I was down like 500, 400, 300, 800, 500. It was popping around very quick, and it's not really crazy volume. 65,000 shares there, and only 12,000 here. So it gets unhalted after 10 minutes. Pops up. I immediately throw 1,000 on the ask, and it gets filled, and then it pops all the way up here, and I see that I'm up $1,540. I go ahead and throw the other half on the ask. I want to lock that in. I should have only sold 500 of the last 1,000 shares. I'll click on that so you can see. So I should have sold 500 into that next halt at 462, but I just wanted to lock it in. I was afraid after the second halt it might come down. I should have held because, it just beasted. I sold all of mine here, and it, ran basically another 100% from there. If I'd have held 500 more shares, I'd easily be up $2,500. So, well, maybe not. 500. Let's see. If I had 500 shares at 462, yeah, I'd easily be up another $2,000. So, anyways, it is what it is. Finishing the day up $1,290. It's what really matters. Let me go pull up my trader view, because I am now up, is it $9,000? You can do the math here. 5,000 plus whatever that is. Reports. Detail. Boom. $9,156. My win rate is still the same because I took 2 trades today. One was red, one was green. So it's still, just balances out. My average gain went up a little bit. My average, my average loser I think is about the same. Go look at the calendar. So this is 5, 9, 10, 11, 12 green days in a row. I'm not going to, tomorrow the markets are closed, so no one's trading. Friday's a half day, but I'm not going to try to trade just because the volume's probably going to be low. Not saying there's not going to be opportunity. I'm just not going to risk it. I'm finishing, I know I finished up last week 3,400, and this is only 3 days this week. And I am going to be up 2,700. So it's pretty freaking amazing for me. This is only a paper account, so it's not real, but I'm trying to keep it as real as possible. I know if I get halted after, or if I get into a trade after it got halted, because it's a simulated account, sometimes it will fill. Actually, it will fill you. Don't matter. I always go back and take that away. So I try to make it as real as possible. The only thing is here, the halt price was at 364, and I got filled at 365. It's only a penny, and it was, negative towards me because I should have been filled 1 penny less. But it is what it is. I don't care. I'm not going to fix 1 penny, especially if it was going to be giving me money. Making the profits higher is not that big of a deal for me. Up $9,000. So. But that was it for the day. Pretty much after this, I locked this up. I was done. I did wait to see, it come out here. It ran all the way up and just boom, halted immediately. 5:05. No, maybe it was 1 minute. Then it halted. Yeah, okay. So it came out, ran up, 1 minute, boom, then halted. Probably got halted here on the way down. Wow, 15-minute halt. Ugh, that was scary. It's probably why it got down so much. But, yep, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. I'll be back Monday. Let's see. Ooh, Monday will be December. I will be back Monday, December 2nd. Ooh, I gotta figure out how much I finished up the month with. But anyways, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.